Bake a deliciously irresistible sour cream streusel coffee cake. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby, your go-to destination for delicious homemade recipes. Today, we have a real treat for you, a mouthwatering sour cream streusel coffee cake that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or whenever you crave something sweet and comforting. I'm Rashawn, and I can't wait to show you how to make this irresistible coffee cake. So, without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients. For the cake: 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, softened. 2 cups granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 cup sour cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Mix in the sour cream and vanilla extract until the batter is smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. In another small bowl, prepare the streusel topping. Mix together the flour, sugar, and cinnamon. Cut in the cold cubed butter using a pastry cutter or your fingers until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Spread half of the cake batter into the prepared baking pan. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping evenly over the batter. Add the remaining cake batter on top, spreading it out evenly. Finally, sprinkle the rest of the streusel topping over the top layer of batter. Bake in the preheated oven for about 40-45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, and the cake is golden brown. Allow the coffee cake to cool in the pan for about 15-20 minutes before serving. Slice and enjoy your homemade sour cream streusel coffee cake. You can also add a simple glaze if you'd like by mixing powdered sugar with a little milk or water and drizzling it over the cooled cake. And there you have it, our scrumptious sour cream streusel coffee cake. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it. If you give this recipe a try, don't forget to let me know how it turns out in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Rashawn for more mouthwatering recipes like this one. And if you found this video helpful and delicious, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps our channel grow.
Indulge in the perfect blend of Irish charm and pizza love with our St. Patrick Irish Pizza Mug. Showcasing the playful phrase Irish your pizza alongside a vibrant 4-leaf clover, this mug is a must-have for pizza enthusiasts. Picture yourself sipping your favorite beverage while admiring the detailed illustration of a scrumptious pizza topped with green and black olives, tomatoes, and gooey cheese. With its unique design and sturdy build, this mug is an ideal gift for St. Patrick's Day or any pizza lover in your life. Cheers to good times and delicious flavors.